There they are. Gray girl. Oh, Braidus. They let her to pet them more than me, but they come up. There they all are. They're coming for their dinner.
Come on, girls.
Here it is. Out there.
Ready?
Get a chair.
Die Wäsche duftet gut. Come on, Lola, outside. Come on. Oh, come. Up. Up. Yeah, grab Moody's chair.
Yeah. Hey,
Bleib ein bisschen stehen.
Ja, kannst
Lola.
Brauchst du nicht hinstellen, Stuhl.
It's cold.
Okay. Sorry, I good job.
Spy on them with the long pole. Look at me. Don't even look out. I mean, the striped one, their bellies are massive for cats. They're bigger than the cat that lives here. Little Freydis. She was the first lurker and then brought her mom, maybe, and her sister.
We watched Vikings during that.
Yeah, we were watching Vikings during that time.
Lola.
Hello. She has light, nice whiskers. Look how long they are.
Mal gucken, wo sie
Hey, Katzen.
hinschreiben tut.
You're a pretty good
Guckt
cat.
aber rüber, ob man aufpassen tun, ne?
Put up with a lot. You had a nice dinner, though.
Sag nix.
The two are just shoving it in over there. Hey, you people like you cats. Go ahead and subscribe and like, and you'll see more of these cats. They're pretty cool.
Yes, they make us
Yeah.
happy during these times.
Yeah, we like to sit out here and feed them. We have to kind of guard it before the feral chicken will come and try to chase them away. Old floppy head rooster. Right? What's Lola doing
We
over
don't
there?
know, don't say, we just want to see what she's doing.
Let's
We're
see.
watching.
Where is she?
She's sticking her hole.
I
Hey!
don't know if you can see her. Or she's trying to sneak off. Sometimes it's
Hi.
there's this man. Just because you petted them, they wanted to get your smell off. You know,
Yeah.
cats are a little rude, but anyway, they're cats. What are you doing? Can we bug you? You're not going to turn around for me? Are you? Bug him. He might hit you. Oopsie.
Oh,
Okay.
I put my shoes on this spot here.
Hey. Yeah, don't have those. He'd be really mad.
Let's
Alright.
see.
Lola's under the table coming back. Cats are eating.
Die will auch manchmal nicht. Ein blaues noch, guck wie
You're the
schön.
flower. Look, 4 pinkies.
Ja, 4 Stück.
Wow. Up there. Wow. That's the best we've seen. Oh, 4 of them. 4.
Guck mal hier, wie schön die
Ja,
aussehen. Mit
schön.
vier-
Ja,
Mit 4 Blüten.
alles an. Die wird auch mal größer, guck. This one, it really likes it right there.
It does.
The other ones too. They did. The one yellow with the 2 yellow ones.
What's yellow?
Like this one right there. Had
The,
purple.
oh, the Imperium?
Yeah. No, the anterior. The yellow ones. See the yellow?
Oh, yeah, the ones. Those.
I put 2 in the ground, but they didn't.
They didn't like it. They liked in their pots. They might not like the nematodes in the soil or something. I don't know. What's that other gray girl's all kind of puffy about something?
Maybe they ran out.
Let's see. Let's see what their attitude is for each other. Maybe they did run her off. You know,
Ich denke, die haben die wieder weggejagt.
you guys gonna come? Hey! Wow, Praedis. They do run her off, don't they? They might run her off from her food.
Das ist die
Poor
dünnste
mom.
von allen 3. Die
Ja, was will sie
The
denn
chicken's
machen?
been back in here in her little nest. I don't want to scare her. Let's see if we can spy on her a tiny bit. I don't think she has eggs or babies in there. But see, she's right. There she is. Hello. Is she, I don't know if she's going to lay eggs or she has. I don't think she has any babies in there. Lola, what are you getting in the cat food now?
Lola.
Lola. That's
Hey.
something. See, she just got busted with it.
Hey.
Look,
No.
the cats now have to run off. Lola.
Go eat your food. Yeah,
She is bad about some things. Yeah, Lola. You got busted on camera. That's
Lola.
you usually try to eat Freddy's
No.
food.
Lola.
This guy right here.
girl, Lola.
I'm gonna put a camera on.
Ready. Hey.
Lola,
Hey.
look over here and get your comeuppance. You don't want to look because you're guilty. You raided the cat
Let's go.
food. Wow. That's why we have to guard the cat food. That guy right there.
Ja, sitzt im Loch drin.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's a squawker.
Ich bin immer gespannt, ob sie morgen.
He showed up late. If you didn't, he would come and try to pick on the
Ja,
cat.
das sind keine, da schläft die nur, weil das ein guter Platz zum Schlafen ist, bis die lernen, da hochzukriegen.
Okay, that's the excitement out here for tonight. Well, you gonna chase that rooster, Freitas? I don't think
Komm
so.
eine, guck, das ist ja welche.
His little top thing's floppy. That's why we call him floppy.
Ich hab gedacht, du
He's
isst
gonna
nicht.
get some water.
Ja, das, wenn er mal wegkommt, oder selber dran schön.
Anyway, all right. That's where we have to sit out and do this so these cats can eat. Bye.